How to make a free account on Squarespace quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a free account on Squarespace. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up squarespace.com and you will get right here. On squarespace.com, we can create our own portfolio websites, blogs, stores, and much more. In order to create an account on Squarespace, you don't need a credit card. We can actually do it for free. You can click on Get Started. So it'll take you right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an account. So you can see we have create your account option. Creating an account on Squarespace is really easy. We can sign up with our Google account, our Apple ID, and then we have Facebook and continue with email. So you can, just sign in with your Google account or click on continue with email. Then you have to enter your first name, last name, your email address, and set up a password. That's it. Then click on sign up and your account will be created on Squarespace. Then you will get your own dashboard, which is the account.squarespace.com. And here you can create more than one website with Squarespace for free. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.